same thing then again. Oh, the cloak, put the cloak. Swallow that.
40 inches.
I thought perhaps.
40 inches.
I thought perhaps you had forgotten me. Forget you. Was that you wanted to show me? When we spoke earlier, you sounded so exhilarated.
Glad you came. Trust me.